Story Tree Books.
Hello everybody, thanks for joining Sebastian and I here at Story Tree Books. Christmas is getting very close and we're getting very excited, aren't we? Today's story is John Williamson's Christmas in Australia, a U-Butte Aussie Christmas story. Let's get started, shall we? It's December in Australia, time to remember all the family. Christmas tree, native pine, lights and tinsel all entwined. Put a fairy on the top. There's Gran and Pa and Joan and Pop. The ham and turkey's organised. Won't the grandkids be surprised when Santa comes in big black boots? In the back of Jacko's ute. Ho, 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 ho. Hey, Santa looks a bit like Uncle Bruce. Oh, it's December in Australia. Time to remember all the family. Gather round for a photo. Hang on, Dad. Where did Sam go? We gotta get everyone in the picture. Oh, here he is. Come on, Sam. Now, say cheese.
Cheese.
Wait a minute. Bubbles is missing. Oh, yum yum pig's bum Christmas pudding. All the ladies do the cooking. All the men are really slack, slapping each other on the back. How you been, Tangles? How was your year? Might rain tomorrow, have a cold beer. I hear young Greg is playing fullback. I guess he gets it all from you, Jack. Blah, 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 blah. Who's for a game of cricket?
Me. Me.
Oh, it's December in Australia. Time to remember all the family. Gather round for a photo. Hang on, Dad. Where did Cher go? We gotta get everyone in the picture. Oh, here she is. Come on, Cher. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Wait a minute. Annie's not here. Me not out. Oh, yes, you are, Nick. It's your bowl, Max. Don't bowl too quick, or Nick has run off with the bat after him across the flat. Come on, Cub, you've had a bowl. Give the ball to Christy. Tomtit, Pee-wee, Brookie, sidekick. You're on my side. Grab the bat quick. Now he's run off with the stump. Better give that Nick a thump. Think I'll have another beer, runt. Oh, it's December in Australia. Time to remember all the family. Gather round for a photo. Hang on, Dad. Where did Amy go? You gotta get everyone in the picture. Oh, here she is. Come on, Amy. Everybody now say cheese.
Cheese.
Oh, wait a minute. Hetty's not here. See the goanna up a gum tree? He's going to get a feed today free. When the campers leave the lake, bits of chook and chocolate cake. It's Christmas time for him as well. See his big long belly swell. Ha 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 ha. Oh, it's December in Australia. Time to remember all the family. Gather round for a photo. Hang on, Dad. Where did Fox go? Gotta get everyone in the picture. Oh, here she is. Come on now, Fox. Everybody say cheese. Hold it there now. Zzz, click. Got it. Hooray!
Oh, it's December in Australia! Yeah!
What a wonderful Christmas in Australia story that was. Does that sometimes happen in your family where you can't get everybody in the Christmas photo at the one time? It happens in our family, doesn't it? Thanks for joining Sebastian and I here today at Story Tree Books. Have a very Merry Christmas, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.